Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing one of Olight's newest lights. It's the H1 Nova. It's a compact and multi-purpose LED headlamp. Um, really was excited to get this and use it. This features a Cree XML2 LED. It has 5 modes. Mode 1 is 500 lumens and it toggles down to 180 lumens. You get 500 lumens for 3 minutes and then 180 lumens at 170 minutes. And then mode 2 brings it down to a solid 180 lumens. You get that for 3 hours. And then mode 3 goes into 60 lumens at 8.5 hours. And then we've got mode 4, 15 lumens for 42 hours. And then you have mode 5 for at 2 lumens for 15 days. Gives you an incredible amount of runtime. As you can see, it also comes nicely packaged in a carrying case. You can carry it with you at all times. It also comes with an SOS feature, a timer mode, and a lockout. And it can also be used as a flashlight. So let's get into taking a look at the light itself and what it looks like in the package. Now it does come in a nice box. I'll show you some pictures of that. It does come in this very nice package. So here you go. When you open it up, you do get some literature that goes through instructions and some recommended outdoor lights, some marketing material in here. Along with an instruction booklet. I would keep those with me if it were me. You can also throw an extra CR123 battery in. The light does come packaged nicely with its headband. It comes with a nice clip. We'll just stick that in there for now, but you get your nice headband with a silicone carrier on it. The light is removable and the strap is adjustable. It's all labeled Olight. So a little bit about the light. We're going to start out at the lowest mode. So to get that in the moonlight mode, the 2 lumens, just press and hold. And it's going to come on. Notice it is very dim, but it does give you an incremental light. And I also notice it comes with a pocket clip that you can put on the light after you take it out of the silicone harness. To change the modes, I'm going to put that down. You press and hold. That'll bring you up to mode 4 at 15 lumens. Next mode is 16 lumens. You get 8.5 hours of that. That's mode 3. Mode 2 is 180 lumens at 3 hours. This is going to be your normal bright mode. And then to get to high, you got to double press. That's going to bring you up to that 500 lumens you're going to get for 3 minutes. That's going to dip back down to 170 or 180 lumens for 170 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Now to put it in lockout mode, you're going to press and hold. It's going to come on and go off. And then you know it's in lockout mode because it's a short press. It does have the nice on and off button up here. Very nice machined aluminum. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, and we're going to set the headband aside. It just pops right out of there. It's a nice little silicone holder. So we're going to set this aside. You can see the light is very small and compact. It does have an angled head, so I think this is nice if you're going to hold it, put it up against something. You can get the beam to focus downwards or off to the side versus shooting straight out of the end like a normal flashlight would. Now you have your nice little foam tip for the pocket clip. I'm going to put that on. It goes on very nicely right there, and it can go in your pocket right there. So again, it's in mode now. It does come equipped with included with a CR123 battery. It does come with an Olight branded CR123 3-volt battery. It does go in most the lights except for the very first one I got was the S1A, and that went in with the positive end in first. Every one of the lights have came in with the positive end facing downward. I'm not sure why they do this because this one is not rechargeable. The rechargeable ones do have that, but that is something that's a little bit different. It has a nice reflector. And try and get that in there. It's a little bit different reflector. It's texturized, so it's going to give you a lot smoother beam than the other ones. The other ones just have the TIR optic. Now this is a TIR, but it does have the texture in there to give it a smoother diffused beam. The machining is very nice. It does come with a magnetic tail clip, so this will stick on ferrous metal objects. It's got the Olight blue bezel accents there and on the switch. Has a very nice imprint, tells you that's the on-off switch. So the lettering is also very nicely done. Olight, and it says H1 over there. So very, very nice and small compact light. Fits in your pocket, great for EDC. I plan on carrying this with me in its case. It's kind of an emergency light for me, is what my intended use is going to be. So I'll probably keep it on the headband and keep the clip in there, and then this will go in my bag because I do have some other traditional Olight flashlights, but I wanted to have this out and using it, so and test it out. So we will next up we'll go get some beam shots, take a look what this thing looks like out in the wild. I'll have a reference shot, and then I'll go through all the modes. So we'll go through that here in just a little bit. Okay, here we are outside of my deck. I'm going to start off in the low mode, and we'll kind of take a look, see. So here we go. We can just kind of see some different areas, but you really can't see any throw. So I'm going to kick this up to the next level. You can see a little bit with the naked eye, but here you can see it's much brighter. We're going to go up to next mode. Now we can start seeing a little bit more. There's a breaker box down there. Kick that up. Now we can start seeing some throw on it, but it throws off a good amount of light. Really lights up the deck here. And then we're going to put it into high mode. Now you can see it'll pretty much light up a trail. It'll be great for headlamp. It's not going to be a super thrower because it's more of a floodlight, but this kind of gives you an idea of what kind of throw this will give you. 500 lumens. You'll get 3 minutes of that. Then it'll kick back down to 180. So there we saw some beam shots of the H1 Nova. Really highly recommend this light. It is a phenomenal light. It's great for survival situations, even to pack it away in your car or put it in your bag in case you need it. Very small and compact, just disappears in your pocket. What I plan on doing is just keeping this in my bag in case I need it, because I usually have my bag on me or keep it in my car. But show you how this thing packs up. You just take your pocket clip off. It goes right on here on that little foam insert, and put this back in the headband. Very easy, goes on there. You got this little tab to pull it up, and then there's some grooves that line up on there with it. So you can aim your beam up and down for some aim. And what you do is it comes with that little clip, but you don't even need that. You just fold this up. Just set that in there like that, and a couple folds, and just throw this in there and zip it up, and it comes a nice hand strap, and very nice touch on the case. I mean, it keeps everything nice and neat and ready for use, and you can throw a couple extra batteries in there to be on the safe side. But there you have it, the Olight H1 Nova. Comes in 2 beam tints. This is a cool white, and it also comes in a neutral white, so you can choose what color platform you want. And also it's a 65 meter throw, 1.5 meter drop protection. It has a IPX8 water proofness, and weighs about 49.5 grams excluding the battery. So really light, compact package here. So and the last but not least, it does come with a 5-year warranty promise. So most companies out there do not have that type of warranty. So this is something that's really above and beyond. So Olight, check it out, H1 Nova.